Like poked the hole in that. We didn't like open up the can at all, and we just like poked holes in it over our faces. Like I don't know what. So you like kind of pop the top so all that pressure gets out. Then you poke the hole.
No. You gotta poke
the library for
right.
right?
Put your hooks on it right away.
Good.
Then pop
I
the
just
top.
heard P.S. I love you.
And then
favorite.
But
I'm not gonna shot.
You're doing it.
No,
you're doing it.
Hillary Swank, which I don't really
But
like.
when I poked the hole, I got shot in the face with a bunch of beer. What do I do?
Do
I do it? You're doing it.
I think it's about that. Yeah, and he dies, but he spends like the whole next year like sending her letters and notes and stuff after he dies.
Wait, you know what movie I hated is the one with Keanu Reeves in her.
What am I doing?
Ashley, do you want to
Oh, I've never done this.
Either Ashley, can you please?
No, the one where he's dead, but he's sending her letters from
Can you
the
please do it?
No, I already
Please?
have this.
Just sit down.
I
Please? I'll hold it. Please? Ashley?
I'm not going to be able to do it.
Please, me neither. Me neither. But I'm doing it. It's his birthday. Yeah, it is his birthday.
I already have him here. Make
Wait,
sure it doesn't
wait,
hold my
first I
face.
need to know a lesson. Can I do
Okay,
it?
what you do?
That's what happened to me when I fucking did that.
Oh, yeah. Now
All
pop
over my face.
poke a hole in.
This will be like my second.
Tilt it up like this.
I
You're
know.
not
this
supposed to
side,
do
this
the whole
side.
thing, right?
Right here. You'll see.
Everybody's got to do
Right
that.
here? Yep.
But everybody poke their holes and then wait until you
You want to open up
top.
towards you. Well, this cap, you want
Mom,
to sit down. You sit down and you put over here.
Okay, wait, everybody.
Now, bigger. Yeah, no, but just rip it open a little bit. Rip it over there like that.
Don't cut yourself.
Rip it over like that. No,
Thank you.
to that.
My keys.
This guy's driving home.
Jason, can you poke our holes? I don't know how.
Who wants to ride home?
Here, that's yours.
Is that a big enough hole?
What are we doing?
Alright.
Shotgunning. Hold on, quick.
What is it? Why can't we just open it?
That's why I don't like
top?
throwing from it.
You will. Alright. Hold on.
Okay,
It'll mush it.
With your mouth on it, Papa.
wait, we open this?
Oh, wait.
No.
Careful with that hole.
I don't understand.
You're good.
You're
You're gonna. When
You're all full of them today, Katie.
When we, you gotta open that way higher.
I said it was
I know.
All right, a little bit more.
This is the longest shotgun ever.
Yours is fine.
No, get that thing started.
You don't want to suck on it. You want to
It's
shove.
up your nose.
No, that's good. No.
She's got to get it started.
Just as I get everybody,
Okay, so then you pop it and you just suck it all down.
okay.
Oh, it's good.
I will it
I will. And I totally did it wrong.
do it.
Cheers.
Oh my God, this is cute.
You let half out the bag. Ready? You let half out the bag. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, sorry.
I'm not going in my mouth.
Look at He's a professional. I don't think it takes practice.
I think I did it wrong.
I go to
So out of all 5 of those, maybe 1 beer was drank. That's all me.
You want one? Mine out of the
Not like that.
Here at the end of the day.
Driver, you want one?
Driver.
Go back.